Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting my project, which is the IP geolocation. First off, let's start off Google Chrome. Actually, sorry, let's go to PowerShell. CD desktop, CD to the file, and then node project.js. So now we have the server running. Now let's go to localhost 3000, which will take us to the page with the project title, my name, student number, and the course. First off, we'll be doing is signing up. So let's test the sign up page. So Mohammed Al-Durad, let's try it with small, short passwords. So it'll give us a warning saying password is too short, please try again. Let's do this one more time, and this time let's write gibberish into our password area. It'll give us another warning saying, warning, password rewritten incorrectly, please try again. Now, let's create it, and let's try to memorize this password this time. So, account created successfully. And as you can see, it's also stored into into my MongoDB database. Now let's go back and try to register the same email again. It will say warning, account already exists, because it's stored in the database, and in the code in the project file, I have made sure that it does not recreate the exact same email. Let's go to login and let's log into our email, but this time let's write the wrong password. It will give us a warning saying incorrect account details, please try again. Now let's write the proper password, which is 4, typed in 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we get our IP address, latitude, longitude, postal code, city, region, and country. So how did I build this? First off, let's go to the project file. Let's open up the project.js file. Okay, good. Right, first off, I've typed in, we have 4 dependencies, npm dependencies, right? If we open up our package, as you can see, I have installed 4 npms body parser, which I use to retrieve the account and password the user uses for me to store in. And then there's the express, which is used to run the server. The mongoose, which is basically the database in which I store the information that I receive, and the nodemon. This is generally used for my own sanity as a developer developing the site. So whenever I make any changes, I don't have to exit the server and then log in back in again. So yes. So first off, the main one, which is the main page, which is .get/. Whenever you enter type in localhost 3000, you enter the main page, which has my name and my details and the course. And then there is the sign up page. The sign up page in which you'll be directed to it, and if, for instance, you wrote a password that was too short, it will send you to a different HTML file, and it will have what's called the warning sign. If you've rewritten the password incorrectly, it will take you to another HTML file that says, hey, the HTML file is incorrect. And if the account already exists, well, we'll be using the MongoDB what's called the find function to find this account. And if it does exist, if it exists equals to true, then it will give you a red warning sign, and it will send another HTML page which states that the account already exists. And if the account is new and everything works successfully, it will take us to the login link.html, which will say account created successfully. You could go to the login screen with a button in the bottom. Then for the login, it's same idea. It will take you to the login HTML page. If the password is incorrect, then it's false. It will send you a warning message taking to login false.html, which will state, hey, you have the wrong HTML, the wrong what's called username or password. And yeah, obviously the reason why that is because we don't want, if the wrong user is using this account, we don't want them to know whether it was the username or password. We just want to give the unauthorized user a harder time to figure out what the username or password is. And yes, and let's look at our database. So C to end, sorry. All right, and then we write Mongo show DBs. As you can see here, account DB has been created. Yep, as I have stated right here, this one it will create or take you to the or edit the database that is available in the MongoDB. And then we would want to use the account DB, switch to account DB, and then show collections, which will show the collection of data that we have, which is users. And then we want to see the account that we've created, the username and the password. We write DB dot users dot find, and it will take us to the account mohammed@ryerson.ca, and the password is 4 typed in 8 times. And as you can see, it has its own object ID and stuff. Thank you for listening. Also, the source code will be available down in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.